Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're going over the fence. Here are my two guests. My sister and a cringe friend. So.
That's not funny.
No, you just locked it.
Oh my god.
Is the red light still flashing on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, turned off.
So here's you're making. Okay, so here's the deal, peeps. So me and my friend Emily here have a science lab tomorrow in school, and we need to get some pond water or some
Swamp water.
to bring to the lab tomorrow. And we almost had 2 cupfuls, but then the long pipes that we connected, 2 of them split apart. Now we're going over the fence to get them.
It's a
Yeah.
rescue mission for science.
Yeah.
Do you guys want me to go over first, or are you just going over right now? We did.
For science.
No, I'm doing this for Trump. Yeet.
To Hillary that we can't climb over a freaking fence.
Whoa, this is legit. Oh shoot.
What?
Yeah, bruh. Whoa, what the heck is that?
A squash.
Okay.
Come on, Emily.
We're pioneers.
Oh, damn, we see like the squash back here.
Yeah, I want to buy a bunch of goldfish and put them in there. I
Yeah.
want to buy a bunch of goldfish.
Walmart.
This is so fun.
Let's go stand back here, boys.
See, this is what dropped.
Yeah, this is what fell.
Plants.
So, who's gonna go back over to get the cup? Okay, my friend Emily here is gonna go back over.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back with her, and then we'll hand it back over to you to get some moss, or you can.
Look. Is there some moss in there? I see like one in one of the cups.
No, we need a lot, like a little.
A lot. So like, should I dump it back in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have my friend while he gets some more moss in it.
Oh yeah, there's also muskrats back here, but I haven't seen them in a few years.
Muskrat.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're endangered.
Don't they bite you?
I'm still gonna shoot them if I see one. What? None of the plants will go into the friggin' cups. This is retarded. This is retarded. Yeah, but I'm just afraid that this whole thing's that I'm gonna fall in and die. Bruh! None of the moss will go in. It's friggin' retarded. Ooh, I got some. Sort of. Yo, this thing's about to crack. What the frick? Hey, come get the cups.
Hey, boy. Okay, get the cup.
Oh, trigger.
Okay. So, we need. There's no moss in there.
Okay.
Here, let's.
Well, let's go over here.
Let's.
Cause I threw a board over here like 5 or 6 years ago, and yeah, I just hope I don't fall in.
Watch out! Oh, gross.
Oh, look.
Oh yeah. There's a way we can go over there, and then we'll be on the other side. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Can you take this off so it's shorter?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, we can do that.
look, there's a muskrat hole.
Really?
Yeah, look, there's a hole.
Oh, cringe.
I know.
Yeah, should I go get my machetes?
What's a
Dude.
machete?
It's like a sword type thing.
It's an awesome sword.
They use to cut stuff.
Remember like how you like cut that jug of water?
Yeah,
Is it not coming off?
yeah. Ugh. Oh, there it goes.
Here, I'll carry it.
All right.
Okay, we're going over on an adventure.
I'm gonna go get one of my machetes.
Weapons carrier.
Oh, cringe.
Wait,
Yeah? No, I know where they are. They're like by my bed. So I'll be right back. Ah, cringe. Okay. Oh my heck. I can't get to him. Ah. So there's one. I'll probably just bring the one. I call this the oil spill color machete. So let's go, fam. I just hope nothing goes wrong right now. Emily, Mom's calling your name. Alright. Mom, Emily's coming.
Does your mom just need Emily?
I don't know.
Okay, she does need to help me.
Alright.
I'll go see what she needs.
I don't even know what these words say. I used to know. I put it in Google Translate, but you know, whatever.